instead of replacing the inlet valve, just went ahead and put some glue on it. Man, come on now. We're gonna go ahead and fix this, and that way we'll stop the leak for sure. Heck yeah. Got the new Yost Power Tube installed and the new main jet. Hey guys, we just finished up Donivan's son's 1999 Dyna Super Glide. We bled the rear brake system as his rear brake pedal was soft, and we installed a Yost Power Tube kit and a new gas inlet as it was leaking gas. We rejet the CV Carb to this thunder header, and man, that 2-in-1 puts out a lot of power. This Dyna's running great, man. So Donivan's gonna be blasting the streets out in Dallas, so let's check it out. Bike looks really good. He just got it not too long ago, so he's definitely ready to hit that road now.